Guys, so welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I will be starting off with some unsalted butter, some Cajun seasoning, some lemon pepper, some oregano, minced garlic, red cayenne pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, paprika, crushed red pepper, black pepper, salt, the ginger, Old Bay, a half a lemon, a half an onion. This is actually optional, so I am going to be adding some chili oil, some distilled vinegar, white vinegar, vegetable broth, oh, can't forget, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce that, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, so this is the most tedious of them all, is gathering all the ingredients. So I am just going to be using 1 tablespoon of everything. So let me start off with the onion powder. So 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Guys, I'm only going to do a teaspoon of cayenne pepper just because it's very strong and, you know, to your liking, of course. I'm only going to do half a tablespoon of salt as well, just because it's already too much salt in here, so I don't want to, like, you know, overdo it. Lemon pepper. I love lemon pepper. That was actually a tablespoon left in there anyway. I'm going to do crushed red pepper, so I'm only going to do a half a tablespoon of this because I'm not a fan of red pepper anyway. So like I said, you guys can make it to your liking. Black pepper. So like, ooh, I'm going to do a half a tablespoon of that too. The black pepper is a little strong. Then we're going to go ahead and do a half a tablespoon of a tablespoon of paprika. What I'm going to go ahead and do is stir up all of my seasonings. Perfect! So I am just going to go ahead and add my Tabasco sauce in there as well. So guys, I didn't know that these only come in like 2 sticks. I thought it was whole sticks, so I'm just going to go ahead and add, you know, some more butter in there as well. Guys, if you're anything lazy like myself, instead of buying garlic cloves and chopping it up, I went ahead and bought the minced garlic. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of minced garlic inside. This is the chili oil. Okay, so I absolutely love Tabasco sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Tabasco sauce. So I've never tried it with the ginger, so I'm going to trust Blove's instinct. She said not to add too much because, you know, ginger is a powerful vegetable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of ginger. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons. Like I said, you can mix it with for your liking, but I am going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of reduced sodium of Worcestershire sauce. And right now, guys, I just have the butter on medium heat. Taste as you go so you guys can see what ingredients you want to add more. Okay guys, so since I will be making a seafood boil, I'm showing you guys exactly what's going to be in the seafood boil. So I do have some deshelled shrimp. I already cleaned those. My lobster I still have to clean and cut. 3 king crab legs, yummy, and then also some corn. Over here I have 3 organic red potatoes. And then my favorite, I'm so excited to try this because it's my first time trying it with eggs. I have 3 eggs in there. And then there's the sauce. So it's on a light boil. I had it boiling for about 10 minutes and then turned it down to a light boil. But this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Guys, and it tastes so good. The brown sugar, I love the brown sugar mixed in here. That was like a really good ingredient to put in here. It just makes it so flavorful and tasteful, but very savory at the same time. And then I also never tried the vegetable broth. I know she used chicken broth, but as you guys know, I'm a pescatarian. So I just added vegetable broth inside. It tastes so delicious. Typically I add beer to my seafood boils, but guys, it really tastes really good with the vegetable broth. Okay guys, so I deshelled everything. I deshelled the lobster, the king crab, also the shrimp. The egg is in here as well. I have corn, potatoes. Now to get to the juicy part, I have the sauce, baby! Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sauce inside. I'm so ready for this. Oh my gosh, like, what, are you serious? Let me just like, do you guys see this? It's so hot. It's so hot. Wow. That, I'm going to kill this. Sorry guys. This shit is fire. I will never become vegan. Like, guys, I can't do it. Seafood is so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Bye.